Hi everyone, in today's video, I will guide you how to repair and recycle the Makita TW122D electric screwdriver. This is an extremely useful tool for repair, installation, and household chores, but sometimes the screwdriver can encounter problems such as not working, the battery does not charge, or the motor is stuck. This video will help you repair and improve the Makita TW122D screwdriver, bringing the performance like new. Let's get started. First, check the battery, because the battery is the most important factor that helps the machine work. If the machine does not charge or does not last long, the problem may come from the battery. Remove the battery and check for any signs of damage, such as swelling, cracking, or rust. If the battery shows signs of serious damage, you need to replace it. Put the battery in the charger and check if the battery is fully charged. If the battery does not hold a charge or does not hold a charge, it is likely that the battery is damaged and needs to be replaced. If the old battery is no longer usable, replace it with a genuine battery or a battery compatible with the Makita TW122D to ensure proper operation. The motor is an important part of the screwdriver's operation. If the machine shows signs of running weakly, making loud noises, or not running at all, the motor may have a problem. Disassemble the screwdriver and check the motor. If the motor makes strange noises or does not rotate smoothly, check the internal parts such as the coil, carbon brushes, and joints. If the carbon brushes are worn, replace them. Dirt and debris can affect the performance of the motor. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean dirt from the motor, helping the machine run more smoothly and powerfully. Lubricate the moving parts of the motor to reduce friction and help the motor run more smoothly. The drive of a screwdriver is very important because it helps transmit power from the motor to the screwdriver head. If the drive is stuck or not working, the screwdriver will not be able to screw properly. Remove the drive and check for worn or broken parts. These parts can be damaged over time. If the drive parts are worn, you can replace them to make the screwdriver work more effectively. Don't forget to lubricate the gears to reduce friction and prolong the life of the screwdriver. The circuit and switch may have problems such as sticking or breaking, causing the screwdriver to not work properly. To check and repair, you need to remove the machine's cover and check the connections. The switch may be stuck or broken over time. Remove the switch and check carefully. Replace the switch if necessary. Check the connections in the circuit for looseness or rust. If so, clean and tighten the connections to ensure good electrical conductivity and stable operation. The screwdriver head and speed controller can also be damaged after a period of use. Check if the screwdriver head is worn or damaged. If there are signs of wear or damage, you can replace the screwdriver head for more accurate operation. If the machine cannot adjust the speed as desired, the speed controller may be faulty. You need to check and replace the controller if necessary. So we have completed the repair and recycling of the Makita T122D electric screwdriver. After checking the battery, motor, transmission, circuit, and other parts, your machine will work like new. Hope this video helps you in repairing and maintaining your Makita screwdriver. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.